Hello, I just want to share a few things that I do in my garden to maybe help somebody out there. This is salvia, and if you want to propagate more, this is a young plant, and you can have this nice softer stem, and you just cut it like there by the node, put it in the water like that one. Just clean up some leaves and put it in a jar of water, and couple of weeks you should have some nice roots on it and you will have a new plant. This one is a tomato. It's from the mature plant. You can also cut that off because it's just an extra branch or stem from the main plant. So just cut that off and put in the water, and also cut it by the node, put in the water, and should grow some roots later on. I already have some here and looking good. So that roots are looking very good, and it's ready to be planted, and it's nice and pretty big, so we should hopefully get some before the season ends. Or if you have a greenhouse, it should be good. This is the fern that I have for a few years now. What I did in the spring, I cut everything. I just cut everything, and that's the main plant. I just cut it off, and now these are all new, fresh, nice looking growth. This is my squash, and it's not looking very good. It's very crowded. We can cut some of the leaves to give it some airflow, and also so the nutrients will just go on the hopefully fruits. And we should just get all that leaves that are really not needed over there, and I'll finish that later. This zinnia is pretty straight, and obviously you'll only get one flower, but if you cut it here, so a new branch like this one, it's better if you cut it like this one. Cut it from here, and then you'll have two like this one, two more plants that should give you more flowers. So cut it from here like that, and it should branch out. This is my turnips that I just let it grow so big now, so we should cut some all of these extra leaves, and look what we have here. Oh my, that's a pretty big turnip right there. These are just really big leaves. It shouldn't be here, so we should just cut all that off, and the plant should be happier if they have airflow, and they'll be healthier too, because some of these leaves just have bugs on them. This is a garlic that I didn't think it will grow. It's from the kitchen, so I should be transferring that in a proper area. Some peas that I should be picking up, or maybe some of them I'm just gonna let them mature and dry out for seeds for next year. This tomato should have a tomato like a cage or a stake, but now it's just leaning on the ground. Lots of fruits, which is heavy for the plants, so I'm not gonna touch it, because the thing is I'm just probably gonna break that. So right now it's just on the ground, and it's all good. Some beets that I have been picking up, like the leaves, younger leaves, and put in a salad. It's good for you. This is a carrot which has some flowers. That's a carrot plant. I grew this from just a kitchen scrap, so you can see that's the top of the carrot, and there's a big root, and you can grow carrots from the kitchen scraps, And yeah, you'll have some nice flowers here, and you can keep the seeds for next year. Pretty healthy looking carrot there, but I accidentally pulled it, so I have to plant it again. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.